manufacturing is an important part of what India will do going forward. What I'm against is fetishizing manufacturing, saying that's the only way to grow, and thereby underemphasizing other ways of growing, such as what you're doing. You're performing a service which is growing, which has grown really well, and is providing a good that many people consume, right? And if you look at India's history in the recent past, where we have grown in terms of jobs is services, not manufacturing. Manufacturing has been declining despite all the efforts of the government. Now, I'm not saying don't have manufacturing. What I'm saying is to think that you have to enter manufacturing at the lowest end, bring assembly into the country, then we will grow in manufacturing slowly, is missing the point.